Buildings collapse, streets flooded. How a powerful earthquake rattled Turkey and Greece. An aerial view in Izmir shows rescue workers searching for survivors in a collapsed building after a powerful earthquake struck Turkey's western coast and parts of Greece. The quake also caused a mini tsunami on the Aegean island of Samos and a sea surge that turned streets into rushing rivers on Turkey's west coast. Rescuers raced against the clock Saturday to save people buried under rubble. Hundreds of people spent a terrified night in tents after a powerful earthquake claimed at least 26 lives in Turkey and Greece. The quake damaged buildings, mainly old constructions and roads. Greece and Turkey have pledged mutual aid after a massive earthquake. The aftermath of an earthquake on the island of Samos, Greece. Seawater covers the promenade of the port town of Vati following an earthquake on the island of Samos in Greece. In small spaces close to the damaged buildings, the municipality set up large white tents for the survivors while the health ministry's medical rescue teams offered smaller tents for frightened families. Throughout the night, hot soup and water were available for those waiting outside as the temperature fell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.